A man in Minnesota died Wednesday from COVID-19 after participating in the annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally last month that hosted hundreds of thousands of people from throughout the U.S. The man is believed to be the first fatality tied to the 80th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally in South Dakota, according to the Washington Post, which first reported the story. The man, who has not been identified, was in his 60s and had underlying health conditions, the Minnesota Department of Public Health told Insider. Upon his return from the 10-day event, the man checked into a hospital and remained in its intensive care unit until he died. More than 400,000 people swarmed South Dakota to participate in the Biker Festival, which ran from August 7 to August 16. Due to the shutdown of most events with large gatherings nationwide, the biker event is likely to have seen the largest crowds of any other event in the country in recent months, the Post reported. Days before the rally, residents in Sturgis and local officials pushed for its cancellation, knowing that the number of confirmed cases in South Dakota was rising at the time. More than 60% of residents said in a survey that they hoped the event would be postponed, the New York Times reported. About 260 new cases sprouted across almost a dozen states after the Sturgis rally ended. South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem, a Republican, insisted in a Fox News interview that the event would be safe to attend. "We are allowing Americans to take control of our country in a way that we haven't seen before, so we need a few people to stand up, read our history, talk about the importance of our Constitution and the fact that these governors need to recognize that they need to uphold those freedoms that we hold so dear and don't know these people to take care of their families and make the right decisions and deal with this virus, much like we do every other challenge that comes our way and Americans tackle it together," Noem said in the interview on August 5. Noem cited other celebrations the state had hosted this year, like the controversial 4th of July event that also drew large crowds, as reason to attend Sturgis. President Donald Trump made an appearance at that 4th of July celebration. Noem's office did not immediately respond to a request for comment from Insider. Neither the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally nor the 4th of July event mandated that people show up in face masks, and nor was social distancing enforced. Those who attended the event frequented packed bars and concerts, NBC News reported. Many people were not wearing masks, multiple news outlets reported. COVID-19 has infected more than 6 million people in the United States, according to the latest data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Of that figure, more than 184,000 people died. South Dakota continues to see rising infection rates. On September 1, there were at least 240 new cases reported in the state.